Number 9. Number 9, right. Number 9. 2 points by number 9. Southern basketball. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 2. Number 2. 10-second shot clock. Number 7. Number 7. Tumilak. Wala. Nakay number 10. Pass to number 1. Nice steal number 12. Number 12, wala na ako number 4. Number 4. Nakay number 7. Number 7, wala piniling pa. Steal by number 9. Number 9. Number 9, pass number 12. Wala, nakay pa number 12. 2 balls by number 12. Number 2, Manos. Nice cut. Number 9 mo ka lang, yes. Nakaya number 12. Ay, nasa number 5, nasa number 4. Wala ka ka number 2. 2 points. Number 3. 2 points. Ay. Points by number 10. Number 7, power basket. Number 7, rebound. Nakakaya number 10 ang solo 1B. Nakakaya number 10 ang solo 4B. Number 7. Points. Nakakaya number 7, pass to number 2. Number 7, number 7, number 7 ulit. Nakakuha ng Dimatas number 2. Number 10, number 10. Papa. Number 4. Number 7. Number 7, number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass number 7. Number 7. 2 points by number 7. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Saan? Nakakaya number 7. Ito number 2. Game Umato. Number 2. Basket. Number 2. Number 2, pass number 7. Number 1, pass number 2. Number 2, pass number 9. Number 9, Lumila. Nakakaya number 5. Number 5. Nakakaya number 12. Number 12, basket is good. Wala. Nakakaya number 10, pass number 12. Nagpapatuloy si number 12, pass number 4. Number 4, block. Number 12, pass number 4. Number 4, number 4. Rebound number 12. Number 12. Number 12 pa rin. Number 12. Nakakas na number 2. Number 2, Kikimanos. Pass number 2. 10-second shot na. Number 2 pa rin. 5-second shot na. Kuya na natin sa number 7. Wala. Nakakaya na yung 2. Number 1, pass number 2. Number 2. Pass number 12. 2 points by number 12. Second shot na. Number 2, pass number 1. Pass number 2. Action for D. Pass number 12. Number 12. 2 points by number 12. Second shot clock. Number 2. 2 points. Number 1, pass number 2. Number 2 to number 9. Number 9. Wala na kay number 10. Number 10, pass number 7. Number 7. Now on number 7, number 2. Number 12, Naxol for B. Number 1, 2 points. Number 2, number 3. Number 2, pass to number 5. 10 second shot clock to number 1. Number 1. Wala, ako yung number 4. Lumanos. Ito yung first. Lumanos. Wala na ako yung number 2 ng Soul for B. To number 9. Number 9. Number 4. Number 7. 2 points by number 7. 15 seconds. 2 points by number 10. Number 12. 10 seconds.